Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time on this vintage 2003 French leather Swatch watch. You won't be able to set it like other watches. So if I pull the crown, you will be able to rotate the watch crown, and as you can see, it is going to move little by little. You can also go backwards. And for example, if I want to move faster, I can give it a spin and it is going to go almost 1 hour at a time, as you can see. So this is pretty cool. And as you can see, it arrived at 12 and 15. If I push the crown inwards, you will be able to see that first it is going to move to a different hour, showing you how much your loved one loves you. And then it is going to go back to 12 and 15 minutes. So let's also see that. As you can see, now we have the correct time and the watch is going to keep on going. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to set the time on these type of watches made by Swatch. You can also find similar movements made by Seiko and Citizen in the 80s and 90s. So now you know how to set the time. So guys, that was the quick tutorial. Make sure to give it a thumbs up in case you found value from this video. Subscribe to this YouTube channel in case you are into watches, vintage watches and watch tutorials. Leave a comment and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.